Shaft imbalance occurs when the weight around a rotating shaft isn't distributed evenly. The spinning part wobbles because one side is heavier than the other. It's like a washing machine with all the clothes bunched on one side. When the washing machine spins, it shakes because of the unequal weight or imbalanced drum. As speed increases, the forces increase, causing vibration, noise, and wobble. Over time, that unrelenting impact leads to uneven wear patterns, spalling, surface fatigue resulting in material flaking, pitting, small, rounded depressions holes, scoring, long scratches in the direction of motion due to abrasive wear, misalignment, and premature coupling and bearing failure. Imbalance often begins during installation. Poor installation practices can introduce alignment errors. Bent shafts from improper handling or mechanical shock distort the geometry. And poor design or setup can leave mass distributed asymmetrically, creating a heavy spot that becomes the root of vibration. When a shaft is imbalanced, operators may notice elevated vibration levels, humming or rattling noises, increased temperatures, and shaft surfaces changes, pitting, spalling, scoring. They may also notice that the shaft is difficult to turn. If left unchecked, imbalance accelerates damage across couplings, seals, and drive systems, multiplying stress and maintenance costs. But with precision balancing, proper installation, and vibration analysis, the destructive combination of inertia and centrifugal force can be controlled, restoring smooth, efficient operation.